Hey y'all, it's Rusty at Mossy Oak, and today I've got an awesome blind to show you guys. You're definitely going to want to check it out. It is the Nukem Grab Go blind. This is not your ordinary blind though, fellas. This isn't the 4-hub style, tent style that completely covers you up when you're hunting. This blind is designed for the run and gun, grab and go type of hunter. This blind right here is ideal for a turkey hunter, but also it can be very useful for a whitetail hunter, for example, that likes to hunt on the ground and you don't have tree stand options. You can easily sit behind this on the ground with a bow or a rifle for deer hunting, but it's really, really key to be behind this thing right here when you're turkey hunting with a shotgun or a bow for that matter. You got two models. This is the XL and this is the regular. So, you know, if you're just a solo guy and you want just you're trying to hide, the regular is perfect. If you've got children, perfect right here, this XL is. You could hide a couple guys behind it. So these blinds are very easy to assemble. When you take them out of the package, you've got rods at the bottom, and then you've got the center rod right here, and I'll tell you more about it in a minute. Same deal with the XL, you just assemble the blind. Now, if you want to be able to run and gun with the blind, you simply pop out this center rod out of the attachment area right here in the top. Pop it out, do one nice little fold, and the blind becomes mobile just like that. Whereas if you had the traditional tent style 4-hub style blind, it's gonna take you much longer. These blinds weigh less than 4 pounds, guys, so you'll never know you've got them. The blind is ideal to be able to use just sitting on the ground, like on your turkey pad that comes on turkey vest, or if you wanna use one of these low profile turkey chairs to sit on and get you up just a little higher off the ground, you can do that as well. The blinds are very adjustable. You can widen them out, tighten them up, whatever you need to do. If you're behind this blind and the turkey slips over to your right or to your left, like they love to do, you can easily pop your shotgun out the side and shoot off each side, depending on if you're right or left-handed or whatever. As turkey hunters, we don't always have the best cover where we need to sit down on a turkey. And if you've got this in your vest, you'll have that as a tool, and you can carry it in your vest in the back pouch and never know it's there. So with these Nukem Grab and Go blinds, you got two sizes. You got the regular right here and you've got the extra large. And then the only difference between the two, other than the size, is the extra large has the little brush strap areas right here. So if you wanted to add additional natural cover from your area to those, you could. Both these blinds are mossy oak. This is bottomland right here, and this is obsession. So you're gonna blend anywhere you hunt in the country with either of these mossy oak patterns. So that's about it, guys. A ton of awesome features and benefits about the Nukem Grab and Go blinds. Check them out. You're gonna wanna get you a couple for sure.